Today we're working with the word family of. So I'm wondering right now if you are able to think of some words with the chunk. Are you ready? At home? My two girls? Okay. Yeah. So we're going to try to make some rhymes. Remember, rhymes come at the end. So I'm going to say a word, and then you're going to try to rhyme with me. It has in it. Ready? How about dub?
Shrub.
Rub.
Shrub.
Shrub. Okay, hold on. Let's give people at home a chance. Ready? We've got rub, shrub at home. Shout it out.
That's a good one.
What's another one, Eliana? Mub. Cub. And they can be silly words as long as they have the
Dub.
Bub. Dub.
Rub. Scrub. Cub.
Scrub. What does it mean to scrub?
Cub.
Show me scrub.
Scrub.
At home, show me a scrub. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
When you're scrubbing yourself in a bathtub.
That's right.
Cub.
Cub, like a bear cub. Fantastic. So we're gonna practice. We're gonna practice singing this song, Rub-a-Dub Cubs. So here's how it goes. Girls, you can say it with me too if you want to. We're just gonna read it. Rub, rub, rub-a-dub. Two bears in the tub. Mama and her baby cub singing rub-a-dub. Now it's kind of going to the row, row, row your boat. So we're gonna try to put it to the tune. Trina? Okay, let's go look at that second stanza. Here it goes. Scrub, scrub, scrub-a-dub. Join the sudsy club. Bring some soap and sing along. Scrub-a-dub-a-dub. I wonder if you can find that word. If you're at home, could you point to some of the words with us? Ready? We have rub, dub. Let's get the new words. Rub, dub, tub. Good job passing the markers. Cub.
We already have rub-a-dub. It's okay.
All right.
Okay.
You're going to try to stay on the side so we can still see. Scrub.
Scrub-a-dub.
Okay, pass it. Join the sudsy club. Club. Yep, that's Bring some soap and sing along. Scrub-a-dub-a.
You can do dub.
Dub. So we have, let's read it from the top. We have rub, dub, tub, cub, rub, dub, scrub, dub, club, scrub, dub, dub. All right, get your singing voices ready. Here we go. We're going to try to sing it.
Rub, rub, rub-a-dub, two bears in the tub. Mama and her baby cub singing rub-a-dub. Scrub, scrub, scrub-a-dub, join the sudsy club. Bring some soap and sing along, scrub-a-dub-a-dub.
One more time.
Try to do some dancing.
Rub, rub, rub-a-dub, two bears in the tub. Mama and her baby cub singing rub-a-dub. Scrub, scrub, scrub-a-dub, join the sudsy club. Bring some soap and sing along, scrub-a-dub-a-dub.
Good job. Good job, guys.
All right, friends, we are ready to do some making words. You will need these letters here. Andreina's going to point them out for you. Of course, you need the U and the B for ub. Then we have to have the O, S,
H, C, or S.
And then
T
and
C.
Good job. So we need all of those letters. If you don't have those letters, it's okay. You can just write them on your piece of paper, and then you know the letters we're working with. Here we go. Please put the word chunk right in the middle of your paper on your board, just like Andreina has. Here we go. Everyone at home, and Andreina, pull up the T to the beginning and say that word with me. Ready?
Tub.
Very good. The next word, change the T to a What's that gonna say? Rub.
Say rub.
Rub. All right, take the R down, and you're gonna add 2 letters to make the word club. I'm sorry, make the word cub, excuse me. Just 1 letter, make the word cub. Let's say the first part, ready? Cub. Cub.
Say
Now add 1 letter to cub to make club. 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 Okay, let's start all over. Bring that CL down, the cool. Take it away. You're going to add 1 letter to make the word sub. Sub.
It's stuck.
Ooh. Ready? Let's say the first part. Sub. Sub.
Say
Add 1 letter to sub to make stub. Stub. Can you bring that, push that T up a little bit, Andrina? Okay.
Stub.
Let's do that together. Ready? Stub. Stub.
Stub.
Okay. Ooh, bring the st down.
What's next?
And this time you're going to have the sh, sh, sh. Ready?
I'll bring you
But
up.
listen. Hold on. Shrub. You need 3 letters to make shrub. Those are kind of a bush. Shrub.
I'm learning
Let's
that.
say that. Ready? Shrub. Shrub. So the SHR says shrub.
And they're a vowel, I think. No, they're not.
That U is your vowel there, isn't it? Shrub. Shrub. Okay, we have 1 last word to make. I just want you to change 1 letter in shrub to make scrub. Sk. Sk. Do you hear that? Sk. Ooh. You can start from the beginning. Sk. Rub. Rub. Oh, that was a tricky one. If that tricked you, you're not alone. That was hard for Andrina too, and she's pretty good at this. Let's say it. Scrub. Scrub. Can you think of another word that has the scr at the beginning? Screw. Yeah, when you're building, right?
Or screwdriver.
Mm-hmm.
You're saying.
Screwdriver. Very good. Okay, now it's our writing time. So we're gonna be writing our words down. So go ahead and get a pencil or a marker to join us with our writing. Here we are. We are ready to write our words with the word family ub. Get out whatever you need to do that. Our first word is the word tub. Ub. Tub. We like to say the first part t, and then the rhyme ub to write that down. Tub. The next word is rub. Ub. Rub. Good. The next word is cub, like a bear cub. Ub. Cub. Make sure your B is a nice tall letter. Goes all the way up to the sky, Eliana.
Yep.
Looks a little... All right, our next word after cub is club. Cool-ub. Cool-ub. Club. Nice. Sub. Sub. S-ub. Sub. Oh, look at your B again, my love. Everyone at home, check your B. Is it nice and tall?
Yeah.
I think B is a skyline letter, right?
Yep.
Goes all the way up to the sky. Here we go. Stub. St-ub. Stub. Oh, check that B.
I just can't touch the other B.
Maybe we need to leave some space between our words. Should we go up to the next column, Eliana?
Yeah.
All right, everyone at home, hopefully you made the word stub. The next word is shrub. So I hear the sh, r, ub. Shrub.
That's a better B.
All right, there it is. Last word is scrub. Sk, r, ub. Scrub. Okay. Everyone at home, let's read those words starting at the top of tub. Here we go. Tub, rub, cub, club, sub, stub, shrub, scrub.